Hi, my name is Takuma. My nickname is
Hey guys, my name is Tawanutto. My nickname is
Hey guys, my name is Vilasmi Unbun. You can call me Om. In this short video, we show how to use story on Instagram.
First, press two icons, then tap to type. You can type any subtitle you want.
Now you can locate filters to use for your story, and you can set them as you like.
We can use Boomerang apps, take a short, cute animated clip.
Then pick any layout. Insert as many as you up. Choose 6 images from your diary as method.
Take multiple pictures easily take multiple images by pressing on two overlapping circles.
At the top left button, save a picture or story and save the depth as word.
You can also add music. Find your favorite song. You can then click to add and edit the song you like.
Quererte, yeah. Nadie como tú, no hay un sustituto para ese cuerpo tuyo que a mí.
For some reason, business can connect with brands.ig story.
Hope you like this video. You can now try to see your Instagram story.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye guys. Bye bye.